Furniture is a form of expression which symbolizes your personality, thoughts, and actions throughout your life. In this modern era, furniture is a companion in every human life. Whether it's your home, office, or hotel, it's the first piece of attraction. Vittaazio, holding its roots in Gujarat, India, since 2008, we have been delivering our products pan-India, as well as 20+ countries across the globe, including USA, Australia, Africa, and Dubai. With a vast production area of 180,000 square feet, Vittaazio has 2 state-of-the-art production units. We believe in excellence in craftsmanship. That is the reason we have built multi-directional production facilities with leading-edge technology from Germany and Italy. Vittaazio is equipped with next-gen machinery like high-performance beam saw machine, most efficient to ensure the accuracy of cutting material at large volumes, edge banding, works autonomously to ensure the quality standards are up to the mark. Keen CNC 5-axis router for approaching a piece from all directions in a single operation. Razor-sharp CNC drilling. This lets broader versatility, greater accuracy, and a higher reproducibility. Finest spray paint for the fantastic finish, even distribution, and thicker paints. Gentle sheen sanding for removing stock quickly while keeping scratches and scribble marks close to zero. Lustrous buffing, important for getting a smooth, fresh paint surface that brings the original shine. Flawless cold press for a perfect bonding process. Rigorous panel saw for angular comprehensibility. Four-side modular, reliable for a smooth and shiny finish. Lucid rib saw delivers high torque for heavy-duty parallel quad cutting. Manual crafting. Our talented artisans use their wisdom to combine traditional manufacturing techniques for crafting one-of-a-kind products. Raw material. Our expert procurement team makes sure all raw materials are procured best in class. We make sure all raw materials are perfectly stored and used as per the industry standards. Packaging and dispatch. We ensure your well-crafted products are packed with best-in-class material packaging and timely delivery at your doorstep. At Vittaazio, with 25+ years of collective experience of professionals from the R&D team, designers, product development team, procurement, customer services to business development team are together on an incredible journey to beat all the global thresholds. Extremely skilled people in craftsmanship aim to create a masterpiece that lasts lifelong. At Vittaazio, our proactive business development team understands your requirements and helps in selection of designs from raw materials to finished products. Our after-sales servicing team provides you versatile support for all your needs. bespoke luxury products which are a perfect blend of style and function aimed to create a better lifestyle for the people around the globe. We at Vittaazio provide hotel furniture, office furniture and home furniture with tailored solutions for all your furniture needs, setting a benchmark for quality. That's what we do. Vittaazio, Bespoke Luxury.